In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto with Robinhood Gold using the mobile app. Robinhood Gold is a premium subscription that gives users access to extra investing features, but you can also use it while trading cryptocurrency on the platform. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, make sure your Robinhood Gold membership is active by tapping on your profile icon and checking your account settings. If you already have Gold enabled, go back to the main screen and tap the search icon at the bottom. Search for the cryptocurrency you want to buy, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another supported coin. Open the crypto page to continue. On the crypto page, you'll see the current market price, charts, and recent performance information. Tap on the trade button, then choose buy. After that, enter the amount of money you want to invest or the amount of crypto you want to purchase. Robinhood will automatically calculate the estimated quantity based on the current market price. Before confirming the order, review all the trade details carefully, including the total cost and estimated execution price. You can also switch between different order types, like market orders or limit orders, depending on how you want the trade to execute. Once everything looks correct, tap Review Order and confirm the purchase. Your crypto will appear in your portfolio shortly after the order is completed. Robinhood Gold may give you access to extra market data or account features, but crypto prices can still move quickly, so always trade carefully and manage your risk. And that's how you can buy crypto with Robinhood Gold. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials.